All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
A decade after signing the Motor Vehicles Agreement, MVA, for the regulation of passenger, personal and cargo vehicular traffic between Bangladesh, Bhutan, India and Nepal, BBIN, the four South Asian nations have finalized the text of protocol to ensure smooth transport. The protocol is the first of its kind in South Asia. Besides the Motor Vehicle Agreement, the BBIN countries also envisage interconnected grids for regional energy security. The BBIN MVA aims to remove barriers and regulations for bolstering intra-regional trade and connectivity through the movement of passengers, personal and cargo vehicular traffic. The Minister for Road Transport and Bridges of Bangladesh, the Minister for Information and Communications of Bhutan, the Minister for Road Transport and Highways and Shipping of India, and the Minister for Physical Infrastructure and Transport of Nepal had met in Thimphu, Bhutan, on the 15th of June 2015 and signed the BBIN Motor Vehicle Agreement. The agreement noted that necessary internal formalities for its entry into force had been completed. The agreement would enable seamless movement of vehicles to help with faster and economical exchange of goods and people between their territories. The protocol allows for the launch of a pilot project. According to the protocol, except Bhutan, 3 other signatories will allow all kinds of vehicles to ply between them. It introduced 3 categories: light commercial vehicles, up to 7,500 kilograms, medium commercial vehicles, 7,500 to 12,000 kilograms, and heavy commercial vehicles, above 12,000 kilograms, under the cargo vehicle movement permits. In order to finalize the protocol, there were trial runs in 2015 and 2016. It demonstrated that a seamless movement of passengers, personal and cargo vehicular traffic is possible. The cargo trial run was conducted between Kolkata-Dhaka-Agartala route, 600 kilometers, in November 2015, between Dhaka and Delhi, 1,780 kilometers, from 29 August to 5 September 2016, while a passenger bus trial run was done from Dhaka to Kathmandu via India on 23 April 2018. According to the Asian Development Bank, which supports the execution of the BBIN MVA, the now proposed trial run routes are Kathmandu-Bhairhava Sunauli Lucknow Kanpur New Delhi and Kathmandu-Birganj Raxaul Kolkata between Nepal and India. The Kathmandu-Kakarvitta Panitanki Siliguri Fulbari Bangla Bandha Mongala Chattogram route is proposed as a trial route between Nepal, India and Bangladesh. Officials of the concerned countries met in New Delhi in March 2022 and agreed to formulate a time-bound action plan to execute the Motor Vehicle Agreement, suggested carrying out more trial runs and requested the ADB to support the trial. The bank had later proposed a modality, according to the concept paper of the MVA. The trial runs were conducted between Bangladesh, India and Nepal or only between 2 countries. Bhutan has signed the BBIN MVA and given its consent to the protocol, but it did not participate in the trial runs. Officials said Nepal will have direct access to 4 Indian ports: Kolkata, Haldia, Vishakhapatnam, and Mundra. The ADB had a presentation in Kathmandu on 22 January with the Nepali private sector stakeholders where diverse Nepali perspectives on the BBIN MVA were discussed. In the private sector, there are concerns about the ability to compete with Indian companies and the risk of losing the current market share. Nepali transport companies and crews lack the experience in navigating Indian routes, posing a challenge to cross-border operations. Inadequate road infrastructure and the lack of lab testing facilities at border crossing points, BCP, complicate smooth cross-border transport. The protocol also envisions various institutional mechanisms for implementation and cooperation for investigation and repression of violations, among other issues. The crew of the vehicles must be citizens of the signatory countries. They will travel on the basis of valid passports or other documents. A joint land transport facilitation committee to monitor and review the implementation of the agreement and serve as a platform for amicable settlement of disputes will be set up. Likewise, a customs subgroup to regulate the entry and exit of motor vehicles will be established, according to the protocol. The protocol also has provisions including for suspension, withdrawal, review and amendment of the agreement. Moreover, the ADB has stressed on the need for awareness on the agreement's significance among leaders of major political parties in order to build national consensus. The bank will expedite road infrastructure projects and upgrades on the designated BBIN routes to ensure seamless vehicular movement and prepare adequate facilities at border points to implement the agreement with limited permits on feasible routes.